Yo, what's up everybody, and today guys we're back with a video for the first time, and this is in history. After almost a full month of waiting, everything has arrived for my computer build. Don't do drugs, kids. Now if you get the quick shot, my sister, you can see it, it's an AM5 AM4 platform. So what we do now is the attention machine. Wink. That was easy. For the CPU, I'm gonna use the 5000 series. It's the Ryzen 5 5600X. I am broke. I can't afford the best things. We're gonna use this because I'm also broke and don't have. Okay, so here's the CPU, and we do get a tiny sticker.
Nice.
Yes, all the tiny pins. I gotta be really careful with these pins. So I'm gonna put this aside, and let's see, I did get something else. Oh, we got a cooler. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, so. Now, you prep the CPU. Now, please don't drop the CPU. There we go, opening reveal, okay. These pins are, okay, this PC CPU, so you're supposed to align this with arrows. So there's a small arrow in the CPU and an arrow here. Now you gotta be careful here, guys. So RAM should go. I don't really have to do these two. Okay. Then we put one like this, making this a dual channel computer. Alrighty. Nice! There we go. Excuse my sister's recording, she is trash, but hey, she's doing her best, she's doing her best. I can't read. A P3 Plus. No, it's a crucial stick, so we are pretty set up for this. I do need another screwdriver. So what we have to do here is basically just unscrew this. Alright, the screws are coming off. Quite easy. That looks to be the standoff screw. Yeah. And here is the thermal paste you add to your SSD to perform better. Now this is an NVMe slot, am I right? So, oh, I get it. This is the tiny screws you do use for them. Now, the question is, how do I open it? My ass is stupid. I'm gonna save these screws for later. You never know if I'm gonna get a bigger SSD or whatever. And this is not even the scariest part yet. That's the thing. So, I heard a screw fall. Alright. Where is it? So we're gonna screw this in nice and tightly. The SSD just sits there. Okay. So I got this air cooler here. I didn't want to use the stock cooler, but I thought, hey, let's invest a little bit more money into a better cooling system, because I do not want my CPUs to sweat as my balls do.
Bruh.
Do not comment on that. And yet again, I have a skill issue to open this stupid box. No, seriously, bro. There we go. It's the Cooler Master Hyper 212. So this case is from NZXT, which I honestly feel like it looks pretty nice, and honestly, would fit the theme. I could have ordered more nicer components, and yeah, this shit is not your fault.
I literally had scissors.
Alrighty, we have this. Now I have to, just for safety precautions, I'm gonna unbox it here on the floor. So, what the hell do I?
Go away. No. Go away. Come on.
Thank you, my sister.
You're welcome.
NZTX. Look at this case. It feels a little bent here, but yeah, I say USB port.
You see my reflection.
Yeah. Now I think you could just unscrew this screen by hand, and you can get off the front panel. I think. Yeah. This, by the way, guys, is tempered glass, so we do not have to. I'm gonna sit on this glass and it's gonna break. Yeah. This is how it looks inside, and we come in two. We got two fans inside here. One is intake extending. We got some cable here, but we have to get the back panel off. That's the back panel housing, so.
Careful.
Yes, but this is metal.
I know.
This ain't breaking, not breaking.
I know, but still, careful. Mom literally bought it.
Yeah, I know my mom bought that. But guys, huge shout out to my mom, and I miss the screw. And back here, we got another package. We're running out of room to put stuff. We have
Okay.
cables. We got some cable zip ties. We can be great cable management. We got the package. Look at this, that's here.
I thought that was a real package.
Oh, this is cable management stuff. Bracket. I don't really think we're gonna need a bracket. So, here's the shit. Now, I personally, at this part, I just want to see inside here, so I'm gonna put the case back.
Everything that you were doing.
So you go back here. Damn it! Stay! Okay, now did screw off this, and it's actually not these screws off. Don't worry, guys, I have a screwdriver. Yeah. So what we have to do now.
You done?
Also, we're installing the graphics card now. I did tweak a little bit on the camera, so I did try and get that shit on. This here, my friends, is the Gigabyte 4060. Now it's not the most impressive card out here, but I did review it on stream and I'm really excited to actually play this. I think this card will fit this perfectly inside. So, move this, expose those beautiful golden pins, and we click that in, and oh yeah, that's the correct slot. Giving me another problem, really? Wait. My ass is stupid, so we have to screw off this. Okay, there's tiny screws. Yeah, it's stuck. Oh, we just the display port button. Okay. Then we remove this support bracket. This 4060 is entering the main system in 3, 2, 1. Oh, for fuck! Oh, for peep's sake! Damn it! Why is there 2 screws here? It's like for dual slot. Okay, now stay. We're slotting in this card, and the 4060 is installed. And it's one of the most crucial crucial part of the PC, and I cannot risk losing this. I can get a replacement, but yeah. So there's the power cable. We're saving that. We have all of the connectors, plus a little zip ties and screws. Reading safety and compliance, and least but not least,
Bro.
The power supply itself. Pretty basic, it's fully modular. I thought it's gonna be better because then I can just plug in whatever I need and what I need. I didn't want a side one so I could just easily access, but it kinda is adapted to go through all these. So yeah. Yeah, this is the power supply, and I think we can put it in like this. So what I have to try doing is like lift up all the cable, like fit this through right there. Alright, where is this zip tie thing? Okay. Now I have to screw this thing in by doing this. I'm gonna one screw here. Screw this in. I went with the black thing because, you know, black is the best. And yeah, I was about to say you're filming my forehead again. Now it looks like I have to screw it in here instead, which is kind of weird, but hey, let's screw it in here. Alrighty, the power supply is in. Now all we have to do is access these power connectors and motherboard. Which this is gonna be the hardest part because this I cannot mix and match. I will break this computer if I mix and match. These connectors, I think I hopefully don't fry anything. If I do, I will just cut the power, and this looks to be the motherboard connector. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Now, what type of pin do we have back here for the motherboard? 8 pin, so it's like this. Alrighty, we're going. How much can we like? We have some tilted ones. We have SATA. We have 8 pin to 8 pin. I really think we should plug in a motherboard, right power connectors into it. For safety, here we go. This is very nice cable actually. This feels like it should plug in because the graphics card doesn't require that much. So let's start with the graphics card, I think. Yeah. This is a split pin. This is SATA. This is a PCIe. I don't know. I need 8 pin to it. Yes. So this is the GPU power supply. Usually my power supply just needs one cable. There's nothing else, and let's say that this is PCIe, motherboard, CPU. Well, let's plug this right in here.
I'm filming your forehead.
Bruh. Okay, we have a slight issue now. PCIe What's up, everybody? Okay, so we're back and time to first time boot this computer. Let's see if everything works. It spins to live. It spins to live. We are getting boot. And yes, I did do all the troubleshooting and the BIOS updates on the background, so it's just for real to boot in here. And yeah, everything is set it up. Windows is fully set it up. And guys, I will see you guys on this weekend stream. Please subscribe and like, and peace out.